Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 25. Communication 2. The endocrine system and chemical messengers. Let's start. Chemical messengers are involved in communication, maintaining homeostasis in an animal's body, the body's response to various stimuli. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Cortisol is released from the hypothalamus, anterior pituitary, thyroid, adrenal cortex. Correct answer: adrenal cortex. Those chemicals that are released to the exterior of one animal and affect the behavior of another animal are called neurotransmitters. Local chemical messengers. Pheromones. Hormones. Correct answer: pheromones. Which of the following is not a type of hormone? Carbohydrates, polypeptides, amines, steroids. Correct answer: carbohydrates. The fixed membrane receptor mechanism for hormone action involves hormones that are proteins and amines, carbohydrates and steroids, steroids and polypeptides, carbohydrates and polypeptides. Correct answer: proteins and amines. The mobile receptor mechanism for hormone action involves hormones that are steroids, carbohydrates, polypeptides, amines. Correct answer: steroids. Hormones in flatworms affect water balance, reproduction, regeneration. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. With respect to invertebrates, which of the following has the most advanced endocrine system? Echinoderms, arthropods, annelids, mollusks. Correct answer: arthropods. Frog metamorphosis is regulated by a hormone from the hypothalamus, kidney, adrenal, pineal. Correct answer: hypothalamus. Invertebrates, chromaffin tissue is associated with the brain, adrenal glands, reproductive system, digestive system. Correct answer: adrenal glands. Which of the following is not produced by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland? All are produced. Correct answer: all are produced. Which of the following is not produced by the hypothalamus? Calcitonin. Correct answer: calcitonin. Epinephrine or adrenaline is produced by the dash glands: adrenal, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid. Correct answer: adrenal. Which of the following glands diminishes in size as a vertebrate ages? Pituitary, pineal, hypothalamus, thymus. Correct answer: thymus. All of the following are hormones of the digestive tract except CCK, gastrin, secretin, atriopeptin. Correct answer: atriopeptin. In vertebrates, the primary endocrine control center is found in the hypothalamus, pineal, both hypothalamus and pineal. Adrenal glands. Correct answer: hypothalamus. The kidneys produce the hormone erythropoietin, gastrin, secretin, HCG. Correct answer: erythropoietin. Which hormone stimulates the breakdown of glycogen in the liver? Progesterone, secretin, glucagon, oxytocin. Correct answer: glucagon. Which of the following is not an ovarian hormone? Estradiol, progesterone, capsaicin, relaxin. Correct answer: capsaicin.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.